Alright guys, so we're at the Snowden Grove Park and I'm about to fly my DJI Mini 5. It's pretty windy, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so right now it's actually pretty windy. Yeah, so you guys can see, it's a pretty nice park. People are able to play sports around here, walk around. Might have to go up a little bit higher just to be on the safe side, you know? Alright. Nice and slow. Yeah, let's take a look. Wow. Uh-oh. It says signal interfere. I think I might gotta get back closer.
Home point updated.
Okay, as you guys can see there, down there. Oh, I can go up, my bad. So, scrolling down. So there's people playing softball or baseball. Not sure which is which. Can't see if it's boys or girls from down here. Look like they're having fun. Yeah, so around here a lot of trees. Keep going forward.
Unavailable. Fly with caution.
Nice little pond right there. Let's keep going over there. Nobody around here. If you notice, it's very clean. The area is super clean. So there's a lot of walking path. It's a lot of parking. You ain't gotta worry. And there's our car right there. The car in the middle. Staying away from everybody. Ooh! Tell from my hair, it's windy. It's flying really good in the wind. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh fuck, guys. This wind is way too damn strong. I gotta fly the damn drone back home. Ah yeah, I gotta get closer. Freak this. I'll make sure nothing's below. Let me go down a little bit. Jesus Christ. Alright. Think I'm gonna land soon, guys. This is too dangerous for me. Holy moly. Yeah, guys, I'm returning. It is way too windy. Make sure there's nobody around us. Turn real quick before I land. Nah, this is just us. Woo, yeah. Alright. Wait, be careful. Mine is nearby. Your drone is near my drone.